Guys, so we have now a problem from electronics. Okay, let me just read the problem for you. Let I1 and I2 represent mesh currents in the loop A B C D A and B E F C B respectively. The correct expression describing Kirchhoffs voltage loop law in one of the following loops each. Okay, so you can apply maybe on BEFCB or ABCDA. Now, before solving this problem, let me just give you an idea about the Kirchhoffs voltage law and Kirchhoffs current law. Kirchhoffs has this two laws. Kirchhoffs voltage law. You can see the statement. The law states that the algebraic sum of all voltage drops around a closed path in a network is zero. That's cool. It's a consequence of the law of conservation of energy. This law leads to a method of network analysis, not a mesh analysis. So it basically used to analyze the mesh. So sum over all the voltage drops across a mesh is zero. Now there are some sign convention. This voltage drop will be negative if you go in the direction of current. Okay, if you go along the current, and this will be positive when you go in the opposite direction of the current. Let's say if you have decided this is the current direction, and if you go in this direction, then the current drop will be negative, and if you are going against the opposite direction to this current, it will be positive. And delta V is equals to plus E when you go from negative to positive. So quick formula to remember, it negative to positive will be positive and positive to negative will be negative. Whatever comes at the last, that will be the sign. Negative to positive, positive, positive to negative, negative. Now we are given this circuit, and we have to we have to apply this KVL in any of the loop. So let's take the loop B E F C B. Okay, we're taking this loop, and you can see the direction of current. This is I2. So I2 is flowing in this way. So if you start from this battery, 20 volt DC source is given to you. So you are going from positive to negative. So as per our sign convention, it should be negative to negative of 20. Now in this direction, you are going in the direction of current. So here two currents are involved. Here I2 is going, and along this I1 is coming. So here the total current will be I2 minus I1. So drop is negative and the current is I2 minus I1 because the directions of I1 and I2 are different. Though the resistance is 15, so that is 15, and here only one current is involved. I2 we are going in the direction of current, so this is also negative. So minus 20 I2, this will be equals to 0 according to Kirchhoffs voltage law. So what we can write, 15 I2 minus 15 I1 plus 20 I2. We have just multiplied with a minus. Okay, 15 15 20 20. So what we can get, 15 I2 plus 20 I2 is 35 I2 minus 15 I1 is equals to minus 20. So this will give you how much? 15 I1 minus 35 I2 is equals to 20. Is it matching with any of the options? 59 minus 35 I2 equals 20. So option, it is matching with option D. So option D is the correct option for this question. So this was just a simple application of the mesh analysis using KVL, Kirchhoffs voltage law. I hope you have understood this problem very well. If you have any question or confusion, you can let me know in the comment section. I don't know how the voice will come because I forgot to add this. Anyway, before ending the video, let me just tell you a few things about unacademy. You can just follow me on unacademy plus. You can visit my profile and you can have a look at my all courses unacademy.com/physics. You can just type this URL and you will get these courses. You can get mathematical detailed course in mathematical physics, classical mechanics, electromagnetic theory, quantum mechanics, thermal and statistical physics, atomic and molecular physics, quantum matter physics, and many more. And you can join Unacademy Plus today using our referral code physics of PHYSICHUB, and Unacademy will give you the maximum benefits. A lot of benefits are there of taking plus subscription. You can see daily live classes, this part length and full length tests, assignments with the digital solutions, and many other things which have been listed in this list. You can just pause and read. This kind of fee structures are available on unacademy. You can go for 3 months, 6 month, 12 month, or 24 month subscription. And if you apply this referral code physics up PHYSICXHUB, then unacademy will give you the maximum benefits. So take the unacademy plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. And guys, you can get all the necessary links, Telegram group links, WhatsApp group links, everything in the description section. So check out the description section and do the needful. So this is all for this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Finally, thanks for watching.